Looking for the best electric folding bike to fit your lifestyle? Whether you need a powerful ride for adventure, a compact commuter for city streets, or a versatile e-bike for all terrains, we've got you covered. In this video, we break down the top 5 best folding electric bikes, highlighting their power, range, comfort, and unique features to help you make the perfect choice. Number 1. Jasion X-Hunter Folding Electric Bike. The Jasion X-Hunter Folding Electric Bike is a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts and commuters alike. With a 750W motor, peaking at 1400W, this beast reaches speeds of 30 miles per hour, effortlessly conquering mountains, beaches, snow, and city streets. Whether you're navigating urban jungles or off-road trails, the X-Hunter delivers unmatched power. Equipped with an upgraded 48V13 lithium-ion battery, it boasts an impressive range of 55-70 miles per charge. The removable, dust-proof, and damp-proof design ensures safety and longevity, making charging easy and convenient. Comfort isn't compromised, thanks to the full suspension system. The air front suspension with 80mm travel absorbs road shocks, while the rear suspension smooths out bumps, providing a comfortable ride on any terrain. The foldable design makes it incredibly portable. At 71 pounds with a compact folded size, 33 inches by 16 inches by 30 inches, it easily fits in a car trunk or subway, perfect for commuting and travel. With an LCD display, mechanical disc brakes, and bright lighting, safety and control are top-notch. Choose from 3 riding modes and a 7-speed system to customize your ride. The Jasion X-Hunter is built for adventure, powerful, versatile, and ready for anything. Number 2. Engwe Folding Electric Bike. The Engwe L20 2.0 folding electric bike is built for both adventure and daily commuting, offering power, efficiency, and comfort in a compact design. Equipped with a 750W brushless rear hub motor, peaking at 1125W and 75 Nm of torque, it delivers strong acceleration and excellent hill climbing ability. With a top speed of 28 miles per hour in pedal assist mode, this e-bike is perfect for urban and off-road riding. A 52V13 lithium-ion battery provides a maximum range of 68 miles in pedal assist mode and 28 miles in pure electric mode. The removable battery makes charging convenient, taking just 5–6 hours to recharge fully. The foldable design allows for easy storage and transport, with a compact folded size of 40.2 by 17.7 by 31.5 inches. Featuring 5 riding modes and a 7-speed gearbox, riders can customize their experience for different terrains. The front fork and seat post suspension, paired with 20 by 3.0-inch fat tires, ensure a smooth and stable ride over snow, sand, and rugged mountain roads. Designed for both men and women, the adjustable saddle and ergonomic frame enhance comfort, while 180mm disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power. 85% pre-assembled and backed by responsive customer service, the Engwe L20 2.0 is a top-tier choice for electric bike enthusiasts. Number 3. LikeBike City Fun Folding Electric Bike. The LikeBike City Fun Folding Electric Bike is a versatile, powerful, and travel-friendly e-bike designed for commuting and adventure. Powered by a 500W brushless motor, peaking at 720W, it delivers a smooth 20 miles per hour max speed with 3 riding modes, pure electric, pedal assist, and normal bike mode, to match your riding needs. Plus, UL 2849 certification ensures safety and quality. The hidden 48V10.4 removable battery enhances security while offering up to 34 miles per charge in electric-only mode. Its BMS intelligent safety system protects against overcharging, and the water and dust-resistant design makes it ideal for all-weather commuting. With a vibrant LCD display, tracking your speed, mileage, and mode is effortless. Customizable riding levels, a bright headlight, flashable reflector, and electric horn improve visibility and safety in low light conditions. Cruise control adds convenience for longer rides. For comfort and control, the front suspension absorbs shocks, while the 7-speed gear system and power-off disc brakes ensure smooth maneuverability and quick stopping. The foldable, lightweight design, 39 by 22 by 30 inches, 70 pounds, makes it easy to store in a car trunk or carry on public transport. Backed by a 1-year warranty and 90% pre-assembled, the Cityfun e-bike offers reliability and convenience, perfect for city riders and weekend explorers alike. Number 4. Luckeep Folding Electric Bike for Adults. The Luckeep Folding Electric Bike is a powerhouse built for adventure and daily commuting. Equipped with a high-speed brushless motor delivering 1500 W peak power and 85 Nm torque, it reaches 28 mph max speed, making it effortless to tackle beaches, mountains, snow, and city streets. Certified UL 2849, it ensures top-tier safety and reliability. A 48V15Ah lithium-ion battery provides an impressive 60-mile range in pedal assist mode, recharging in just 5–6 hours. With BMS system protection and dual charging options, it's built for convenience and longevity. The advanced NFC unlocking system offers smartphone, smartwatch, and NFC device access, enhancing security and ease of use. For riding modes, cruise, pure electric, PAS, and regular bike with 5 assist levels let you customize your ride, while cruise control and a twist throttle make for a smoother journey. For comfort and durability, the sturdy aluminum frame, dual mechanical disc brakes, and carbon steel front fork with rebound and lock functions ensure a smooth, safe ride. For inch puncture-resistant fat tires provide stability on rough terrain, and the rear cargo rack adds utility. Compact with a folded size of 39.4 by 21.7 by 30.7 inches, this rugged yet portable e-bike is perfect for city commutes and off-road adventures. Backed by 500+ US repair sites, 24/7 customer support, and 90% pre-assembly, Luckeep offers unbeatable reliability. Number 5. Veefa F1 Electric Folding Bike. The Veefa F1 Electric Folding Bike is designed for ultimate convenience and performance. With a sleek, foldable frame, it takes just 2 simple steps to fold, making it easy to carry on buses, subways, or store in a car trunk. The hidden built-in battery enhances security while improving water and dust resistance for durability. Powered by a 750 W peak motor, the F1 e-bike delivers a smooth and efficient ride, reaching speeds of 20 mph and effortlessly tackling city streets and inclines. The 499Wh lithium-ion battery provides up to 60 miles per charge, making it ideal for commuting and travel. Riders can switch between 3 modes: pure electric, pedal assist, and classic bike mode for a customizable experience. The 20-inch puncture-resistant fat tires and advanced suspension absorb shocks, ensuring a comfortable ride on any terrain, from beaches to mountains. The dual-disc brake system enhances safety, while adjustable handlebars and seat height offer a personalized fit for riders 5 feet 0 inches to 6 feet 2 inches. For night rides, bright LED headlights, bells, and rear reflectors improve visibility. Plus, with UL 2849 certification, a 2-year warranty, and 24-hour customer service, the Veefa F1 guarantees reliability and peace of mind.